Today I'm going to show you how to turn these two Amazon envelopes into this. So if you are new to this channel, I'm Raphael, and here I do tutorial videos where I show you how to make amazing props for your favorite movies and TV shows using templates and cardboard.
That's incredible!
Also, don't forget to check out the description box below as you'll find there all tools and products that I use in this tutorial. Now let's dive right in. First thing you need is some non-corrugated cardboard. Think Amazon envelope, cereal box or tissue box. Cut out a piece large enough and sketch your cloth design on it with a pencil. Keep it sleek, keep it sharp. Now if you're looking to save some time, grab my free templates from the shop, links in the description box below. Next, we cut those clouds out. I'm using a precision knife, but hey, feel free to use a box cutter or even a scissors. Just get those bad boys cut clean and crisp. Once you've got one claw, use it as a template to make 4 more identical pieces. Consistency is key, guys. You want all your claws looking exactly the same. Now glue them all together. I'm using white glue, but any type of PVA glue will do the job just fine. And make 2 more exactly the same way. Cut 3 rectangular pieces and glue them together. Give them a slight curve so they fit comfortably inside your hand. Position the piece in your hand and mark where the claws will go with a pencil. Make sure it's comfortable and practical. Glue the blades into place. To do this, I'm using a cheap 15-watt hot glue gun from Amazon. Now for those who don't want to paint, we're going to apply grey paper mesh to the clouds. It's my signature move, as many of you know. But if you prefer to paint, skip that step and move straight to applying the filler. To apply the paper mesh, mix 2 parts water with 1 part white glue. Stir up some grey paper like the kind you get in Amazon deliveries, dip it in the mix and cover the entire structure. Now time to apply a filler to smooth out any imperfections. If you did the paper mesh, go over that, otherwise apply it directly to the cardboard. You can make your own filler by mixing 2 parts cornstarch or baby talc, 1 part white glue and 1 part acrylic paint. And add water until you get the right consistency. Or if you're not into DIY fillers, grab some ready-made paste like this one from Liquitex, linked in the description box below. Quick intermission. I know some of my builds can be a little bit challenging, so I've got something special for you. I'm now offering personalized consulting to help you nail this project. Whatever you need tips, tricks, or just a bit of extra guidance, I've got your back. Hit the link in the description to book your session and let's make sure your prop turns out epic. Now let's get back to the build. Finally, sand the surface with middle grade sandpaper until those blades are smooth as silk. Paint them with acrylic chrome paint. I've linked some top-notch options in the description.
So shiny, so chrome.
And there you have it, fellas. Wolverine clothes that make you feel like a beast. Now, if you want to learn how to make a Wolverine mask using a simple cardboard box, click this video right here, subscribe if you are not already, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next epic build with cardboard. Thank you so much for watching and I see you in the next one. Take care.